Greetings, in this video I will show you how to import PTY shell using Python. Well, a PTY is a pseudo terminal. It's a software implementation that appears to the attached program like a terminal, but instead of communicating directly with the real terminal sometime during exploiting the web server, we just got a blank shell, so we use Python to import PTY terminal. I used Metasploitable for the demonstration purpose. And remember, all the attack is performed on my own system, and this is only for educational purpose. Peace.